No, Pinky. You can't breed for better than right now. You can't breed. Me know in your lifetime, Pinky. You chat to a whole heap of criminal boy and some like a waste man still, But me know you don't do it for survival. You don't do it for no farmer longevity with them. And you know within yourself, say you mustn't get pregnant for none of them boy there. Because them will not be the good father figure that you need for your pitney. So, Pinky, what happened to you? Jesus Christ, Pinky, what happened to you? You know what? Me need to go to the doctor and go check see if I'm really pregnant for you and stop stress out myself, but no. You know, say me I go jump on a taxi and go yak pharmacy door. I go buy a pregnancy test and find out if I'm really pregnant for you. Yeah, me I do that right now. Me I go yak pharmacy. Kiabe! Hold on the Kiabe. May I come while you drop me up half a tree, the Kiabe. Hold on the Kiabe.
Yo, Pinky, what go on? I know a long time I see one little empress like you in a place I do. What go on? How your face looks I do? You's a girl who always look chirpy and look lively and full of life and things. So what go on? How your face looks so long like you and bounty killer brother and sister? No, sir. Pinky, what go on? What am to you? Talk to me there, Pinky. Pinky, talk to me there, man. What am to you?
Cabby, just drive the car, yeah, Cabby. Cabby, please, just drive the car. Me ain't talking an idea with nobody. Right now, me they are stress right out. Me stress out. I just want you to drop me up half a tree. Left me a yak pharmacy there, so. That's all I want you to do for them. Please, me I beg you. Me just nobody ain't talking today, please.
I don't know what go on with you in a day, Pinky, but anytime you see me anyway at all, I see me make sure so you can keep the same energy. Because all man I do I just look out for you as my regular passenger in the street. And you see how you deal with me. Big up yourself still, man. Big up yourself.
Yo, brother, man, what's up? Me, man, Tom. You can give me a minute there? Please, more access something.
Relax, wagwan, man. Long time I see a man like you, Tom. Where are David? Just come in and shop, no man, come talk to me. Come in and shop, man. You're good, man. Come in and shop.
No. Come in a hoofa shop. If you want to talk but Tam, you try go on out that door, go chat to him. Me no wanna like a thinking madman na my place to come frowns up my shop front. Bright. You try go on out the road, go and go talk to Tam, yeah? If you want to talk to Tam, you go there, because me no want Tam come there. And Tam know better to you. Tam knows that me no want him in my shop neither.
Why, brother, man, better you come out as I come talk to me, because of them disrespecting me as a man I always I run from. Me know say me is a man, me no smell the greatest, me might skip a beard or two, but me no so think what she had talk about still. No, me have a like a sense still, because me not have money for buying a roll-on and a cologne and no smell good stuff, but why the disrespect when me have to go through just because I like a bit of unfortunate thing reach me in a life and me end up homeless. You see it? Everybody just have me as this like a madman, this like a crazy smarty, but it is not so, but I guess it is what it is still. Make them just go have it, how them have it, but God bless I again and I shall rise.
Why, Tom, why go on a long time I see a man like you and General Star, I feel like who you about that a while ago, Star. Let me apologize for the lady because she not even understand what a clock a strike, She never know them say young bud not really too no time, because them never understand say a man like you make enough of them could have grow up and have them like a business, cause you used to look out for them parents when time them not even born or when time them a like a picnic or grow up about the place. Them never understand say your foundation man in a place, and even though life might knock you down by your foot and you're kinda not so fortunate like one time. There used to be a good man with a big heart to help out the whole of we at some point in time in a free life. So a man like me will forever be grateful and will never ever be scornful of a man like you. I love and respect still in a time. Big up yourself.
Or about it, man. I kinda get used to it still. Them like a young people here, them just nah no like a behavior, no like a manners, no respect for them elders. If they see a man on the street, then just feel same mad and in a sense. But it is what it is. What anyway? You know what I say? Me I look out for like a sister in there from over across the free there. When he am Ashley. You know, say between me and you, I feel say our boy birth from back in the days our father, you know. So me no know, you know how to link him. You ever get back no link from him come back from foreign and live uptown and I go and live some good life. I really want a link from birth star because I feel like so that like a girl, yeah, a theme daughter. And should I really want a little helping hand, man, trust me. Because nothing too tough now go on for her, man, trust me, may I tell you. Over across the free, they rough, me I tell you, my boy, you rough. Over there, may I rest right, and when I'm a little abandoned deal done. It rough by everybody over there. So if you have no link from birth, make me know.
You see what me I talk about, Tom? Nothing go on for you. In our old abandoned building you live. And here you are. I try to look out for a like a sister and nothing go on for. See what me I talk about? The big heart where God bless her with me I talk about, you know, Tom. That's why I alone love and respect for a man like you, man. Anywhere me see you in the street, man, I have to show you the said love where you used to show me back in the days. And still I show me and endless others. Boy, Tom, Jano Star, I just hope and pray for the Almighty just bless you so you can get back on your feet, man, because you more than anybody else deserve it. But no, you know, so I don't have a link on our boy bird though. But me have a link on the next link where I know can get to him. So here we go on. I got make a call. A link a bridge your name, Little Man. Little Man supposed to have a link on bird.
Oh, this what call me. Borderline boss himself. Where I go on with, man? Long time in a year from a man like you, you know. What kind of breeze blow you my way? I go and make a give me a shout in idea. No, sir, this surprising to me, man. Years when I hear from your brother. So I go and borderline boss.
Be things you go on with, you know, little man. Be things you go on with, you know. So I go on. You know, so me there side a little man star and him say him want a link on Burke. Guess who me stand upside of? Now I agree, Tom. You agree, Tom, the right side of me, yes, man. Yes, man. The General Tom is back in town.
Tom? Which Tom that again? You mean Tom with the dep on top when I time and the man head cheaper than just mad out? That Tom that I talk about?
Yeah, man, the same great Tom, man. Remember, say back in our days, you know, man, Tom used to make sure say youths like we good in our streets, you know. So you don't know anything set, man. And the way we see Tom alone, love and respect, we have to show him same way, even though we grow up, you know. But if you have a link on bird still, send it to my phone and make me can pass it on Tom and make Tom give him a link. You know, say from back in our days, Bert and Tom did so well tight. You see it? Real good friends them from back in our days, so send on them link upon me. Make me send it on Tom. You see it?
Yeah, man, you know, a real talk for real, man. Tom did the real good youth from back in our days, man. Always a look out for we as younger youth for him still, is it? But yeah, man, me have birth link, man. I got send it on your right hand. Check your phone in 2 minutes.
See, text a come in a time, but guess what? I don't have pen, no paper, nothing like that for me, you know, so you could have write half your number and go give you girl, you know. I don't know, you have no pen for you, Tom?
Yes, man, me have a pen in my back pocket, man, but me have to just look pan the gun, see if I find a piece of paper, so me I write down your number. Hold on, I look. Oh, see a piece of paper there. I pick up this and write, yeah. Give me a number, you know.
You know, so I can't ever see this without my glasses, though, Tom. I get old, you know. Probably your eye even better than for me one. But my eye sight, I go bad, so just take the phone and look on it and write off the number there. Here.
Yeah, man, sure, man, me not a problem for write off a number, because I not even need glasses, you know. My eye, them are going good for my old age, yeah. So yeah, my G, just go and bless up yourself, you know, me I go back across the free day, you know, because you don't know it, I get kind of late, you know, me I touch back over before nightfall. So we'll link again, as it just go and take care of yourself, man, and bless up your parents, them for me, man. Tell them, say Tom, say love and respect here.
Yeah, man, Tom, man, I ask a man, go and bless up yourself too, man. I don't know, I love and respect same way, as it.
You know, so me a beg you wait for me the door, cabby. I just want to run go in your Saga, grab something real quick in a pharmacy and come back. Hear me now, I stay too long. Just give me a 5 minutes, please. Me a beg you, please. I'm a real want to go back down here now, because I don't feel too good.
Alright, Mrs. Ma'am, me hear you. Me I go down at the gas station, Benga, so. So what I come down at the gas station, come meet no when time you come out of the pharmacy. Me I buy some gas.
Alright, cabby, alright. Me hear you. Me I walk going to the pharmacy I say real quick, so me soon come here. Lady, good evening. I which part me can't find the pregnancy test and I can show me which island upon, please.
Okay, ma'am, no problem. The pregnancy tests are on aisle 7, so just walk straight down that aisle, make the third left, and look to the bottom shelf. That is where the pregnancy tests are kept.
Two of them tests I take up right now just to be sure. No. Because I take the two of them and make sure say two of them come back with the same result. Different brands me all take to. Come go in your bathroom, go do my test, yeah? You know them two tests here say two different things. One have one tick on it and the other one have two tick. No, sir. Then now what can go, sir? So me not even know if me a breed or not. You know what? Make me hurry up and go back out there so I go jump back on the taxi there. I go beg him let me off out a crossroad so real quick and me run go in a Dr. Brooks' office. To check Dr. Brooks' secretary and see if she can tell me how much for dash for a belly, yeah? I'ma just prepare myself to deal with that. Right now, me not run no joke. Me can't breed for dirty water, Dan. No. That can't work.
Hello, miss. Hello. So you not pay for the two tests them when me say you go run this, you go take up and go in the bathroom go use. You not pay for the test them like a thief thing, girl.
You see me dying trial. You see me take up test and go in the bathroom go use. My girl and they go look for test, but me not see the brand we me did want. I'ma just go in the bathroom, go use the bathroom and know me I go back at another pharmacy. I want to you, girl. You see me got teeth on test. Girl, go on, yeah?
Security, come here, security, come here, quick. Wala ang pan na like a thief in girl if me there, please. I like a thief in girl in the pinky. I should just thief two pregnancy tests. May I watch her now she go in a bathroom, go use the pregnancy test them and go that left them in there. And I come out and I tab, I should have a take out none. Thief in girl. That like a pinky or thief in girl security. 1 hour.
Yo, Cabby, what I go on? I know I'm ready and I still what me I beg you another quick stop down a crossroad this, sir. Here? I gotta make a quick stop down a crossroad.
Hope you have your dirty money in a pinky because if me stop them across with this additional charges that here. Which party I got in a crossroad by the way?
You know, sir, I don't have Dr. Brooks' doctor office there, so I beg you drop me down. I just want to run in real quick and go ask him cash your supper real fast. I just that. Nothing else. Me not gonna even take 5 minutes in the car. Just a quick question. Here?
Not a problem in a pinky, not a problem. Just make sure say you have your dirty money because that they start to definitely I gotta check an additional cost.
Alright, man, Cabby. Alright. Masoon come here. Hold on.
Cabby pick up pinky, drop her a pharmacy. Ken carry come at Dr. Brooks. That only equal one thing. Pinky a breed and one dash it away.
Nurse lady, evening. Me can ask you one quick question, please. How much Dr. Brooks charge for dash your belly?
Lady, what kind of question that you're asking me in front of all these patients? Are you mad? This is a doctor's office, not that type of clinic. So please, lady, please, hush.
Alright, nurse lady. Sorry. Nobody too loud up the thing. You notice I'm a whisper to you, lady. You notice I'm a whisper to you, though. I choose somebody tell me, say, up here, so do man. So I just come up here to come ask a question. Alright? Sorry.
Awa gwan pinky. More bad news again. Awa.
Cabby, awa. You come like that and sit up on me in that day. Awa. Just low me, Anna, man. Low me. Miss Trissot, right? And all Cabby. Me in a Wally Parkins.
That's gonna think I may make them breed you.
You know, some you always hear people say enough of your rank. I just love up in a people business. I may never believe them in a cab, me never believe. Me swear I use a innocent like a cab driver, but you dirty cabby, you think you're easy. I will tell you some me a breed. You see me a breed cabby? Me you will not find my breed in a give me dirty cabby.
Then Pinky, you feel like say take a rocket scientist to figure out say I breed Pinky. First of all, you come in a car vex with the whole world like a hater for man pan planet Earth, then which part you beg me for carry you go? Up a York pharmacy. You go in a pharmacy, you come out back Bex. Then you beg me drop you down which part? High specialist. Right across road, this why Dr. Brooks. Everybody know we go on behind them closed doors. There whole heap of girl make you come up here. I my specialist. And then you come out of place, Wasser Vex. Then I must breed the hybrid and you want to figure and I go say nothing still. But just left that to you still, but Pinky, you're not in a pit need. So what you do? Talk to me, man. What you do? What you do? Think about it before you do it still. Just think about it before you do it. Here? Think about it before you do it.
Enough, you know, feel like cabby. Enough, cabby, you're too enough.
Hey, Ashley, are you inside there? Ashley, it's Tom. Are you inside?
Who that? I me somebody I call? Cause somebody that sound like a Tom door. Hold on. Who that? Sound like a Tom, you know. I'm gonna peep through that window there and see if I might call me. Yeah, Tom, yeah, me hear you, Tom, may I come, just hold on for me, Tom. Nobody left you know, may I come, Tom, may I come. Tom, what go on, Tom, what go on? Any good news? Tell it to me, Tom, please, tell me say I get something. Tell me say I get something, Tom, please, may I beg you, Tom. Any good news? Talk to me now, Tom.
Calm yourself down, Ashley. Calm down, man. I know you're excited and everything, but calm down, man. But yes, I get a name and a number for you, Ashley. I get your father name and I get your father number. So you can finally call him, you know.
Tom, really? Really, Tom? You get a number for me, Tom? Oh, God, man, Tom. Oh, God. Tom, really, Tom, you get a number for me, Tom? Tom, you don't know how much we can thank you for this, Tom. Oh, God, man. All them time that you beg me, I'm run you like that. Tom, I'm sorry. Tom, I'm sorry to me ever treat you less than a human. Tom, you're a good man, you know, Tom? Oh, God, man, Tom, you're a good man, you're a good man. Thank you, Tom, thank you. Ah, God Almighty, Tom, thank you. Thank you. Me never know what else me can do for you. Tom, anything. Just tell me anything. Tom, you say as of now, anytime I cook, Tom, anytime I cook me, I come find you and make sure you see I get a dinner here. Tom, thank you. Tom, anything what you want, as long as Ashley have it within her means to give it to you. Trust me, Tom, I owe you for life. Tom, I owe you for life. But Tom, I don't know what else to say, Tom. But thank you, Tom. Thank you.
Not a problem, Ashley. I'm just glad that I could help you out. Yeah, not a problem at all. But I'll take you up on that dinner offer, because sometimes, man, I tell you, Ashley, hungry can lick for me little skin left, right, and center. So if me know so me can get one plate of food here or there for you, then would I be grateful. So yeah, thanks for the offer.
Alright, Tom, alright. I got you, man. I got you, Tom. I promise you, Tom. I got you. Anyway, which part of the number them? I put it on my phone.
Me have it in my pocket or someone. Me have it written down on a piece of paper. When me take it out of my pocket and give you. So you can just keep the paper to and just write it down on your phone when time you reach it. Well, there it is. I did my part. Really do hope that you connect with your father. And you say anytime you talk to him and build a connection there, just make him know that I'm want to link up with him to here. From you say Tom, he may know how.
Alright, Tom. Yeah, I promise. Anytime I talk to him, you're one of the first person I go mention. And make him know so you're still the down here. Or you still would have want to connect with him. Yes, Tom. Thanks. Thanks here, Tom. Thanks. Boy, I'm not lie. Still my heart a thumping on my chest hard like a drum a beat. John Star Ashley develop the courage. Come on, Ashley, develop the courage. You have to call this man I know. Can't waste no time. Ashley, you're almost 30 years old, you know. You're almost 30. You waste 30 years of your life, almost 30 years of your life without your father. Now you get the number. You have the opportunity to call him. And now you have to beat like a drum, a beat in your chest, just a go budup, budup, budup. Ah, General Star. Me take out your phone, yeah, and dial him number now. Hey, I wonder how me say adjust this man here, no, cause this man don't know me, me don't know this man. I go be formal still, you know. Me not go just adjust him by him first name. Me go adjust him by either him full name or him last name. No, me go ask him if so and so this. Yes, that me I go do. Me go ask him first. And if him answer and say yes, then me take it from this one.
Dad. Dad. Dad, your phone is ringing.
Rachel, I'm coming to you right now, but could you answer it for me, please, and just let them know that I'm on my way to the phone?
Okay, Dad, sure. Hello, this is Rachel, his daughter. He said to hold on. He's coming to the phone shortly.
But you just say a while ago, who? Rachel? Oh, you sound so like that little uptown girl they were there with Brandon from... Oh, are you? So you give Brandon bun with a little old man from uptown, you little nastiness here. A go like you know, no little goody two shoes from uptown. And you... Oh, never see smoke without fire. Me personally, I forgot tell Brandon. Me personally, I forgot tell Brandon. You was a little nasty girl. I go like you a good smaddy.
What the hell are you even talking about? Is this Ashley? Brandon's ex? By the way, how the hell did you even come by my dad's number? How?
What? Wait. We really just say a while ago. Your father know what? No, sir. Me one can't also. But hear me like a nasty uptown girl. Tell your nice, clean father say, Ashley, dep on the phone and she want talk to him now.
Dad, please take your phone. There's a little hood rat on it saying that she needs to talk to you now.
What? Rachel, what are you saying? A hood rat? So you're describing a young woman as a hood rat? Rachel, I'd never brought you up this way. Quit speaking like that. Who is the young woman on the phone, by the way?
Dad, just take the phone.
Hello? Who is this on my phone upsetting my daughter? Who is this?
Hello? Is this Mr. Morris?
Yes, this is Mr. Morris. To whom do I speak?
So are the Mr. Morris, this where you used to live over borderline?
Yes, I used to live in the borderline community. That's where I grew up. So how is that important to you? Who are you, by the way?
Well, this is Ashley from over no man's land in Mississauga, and I am your daughter.
You are my what?